Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of WP Maps Pro. In this video, we will learn how to display listings below Google Maps. Let's start by going to Add or Edit Map. This window appears. And we need to add map information. Once it's done, scroll down and click on it. For assigning location to map, it's an important step for listing. But if you have not shown any location here, so you need to click on Add Location and here add the location info you want to show for listing. Make sure to click on Save Locations. Once you are done, back to Add Map window and scroll down to the Listing Settings section. We need to enable or tick the Display a Listing option as below. You see here we have many options. We go through them one by one and see how the map is updated. First, let's go with Display a Listing option as below and click on the Save Map option. Map was created successfully. Let's see what result we get. To display the map, we need to add a page from the top left. Here it is. You see how it's easy. Let's explore all other options by enable or tick and see what's update we get. Back to our map and assigns 2 to 3 location. Scroll down for Listing Settings option. Enable or tick search from below the map. Click on Save Map. Map updated. Let's see the result. Here we have search options for searching. And also shown all the assigned locations. It's really mind-blowing. Like I am writing for Villanova University and the search result appeared. I hope you understand it. You can explore the options on your own to show results or practice purposes. To finish this tutorial, let's return to the map and select the checkbox to display print options. After that, click on Save Map and the map is updated. It will be interesting to see the outcome. See here, added a print button, so we can print map info by clicking on it. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to display listings below Google Maps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.